How to find hidden chat messages on Fiverr. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how we can find hidden chat messages on the Fiverr app. So if you have accidentally hidden a conversation or you're trying to locate a private chat, don't worry, I've got you covered, and let's just dive right into the video. First of all, open up the Fiverr app on your mobile device. After you have successfully logged in your app, on your home screen of your Fiverr app, you can find the More tab at the bottom right corner. When you go there, you can locate the option called Settings here. Just go ahead and tap on Settings, and in the Settings menu, tap on Privacy. This is where you can manage all your privacy related settings, including hidden chats. So under privacy settings, you will be able to see an option called hidden chats. When you scroll a bit, tap on it to view any chats that you've hidden. So if you have hidden any chats, they will appear here. Just tap on the conversation to open and view the messages inside. And if you want to unhide a chat and bring it to the main chat list, just tap and hold on the conversation, then select unhide, and that should do it. And that is it. Now you know how you can easily find and manage hidden chat on Fiverr. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave any questions in the comments below. And thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next tutorial.